steel beams rise under big blue sky. Wooden hearts on the prairie fly high. Sweat on my brow, dust in my hair. Dreams built in dirt, I'm hammering there. Framing barndominiums under the sun. Raise the walls till the work is done. Wood and steel where freedom hums. Barndominiums where my soul comes from. Echoes of hammers in the evening glow. Rivers of sawdust where the wild winds blow. Blueprints faded, smudged with time, but every line's a promise, every board's a rhyme. Nails bite deep, hold the weight. Every joint seals our fate. Framing barndominiums under the sun. Raise the walls till the work is done. Wood and steel where freedom hums. Barndominiums